In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a photo into a cartoon on Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on Create. Once you do that, Canva's Create a Design window will appear in the center of your screen, and from there you can scroll all the way down on the left-hand side of this window to Upload and click on Upload. And when you do that, Canva will present you with two options to either upload files or a folder. We want to click on Upload Files, and when we do this, our computer's file explorer or browser will open up, and from there, just locate the image that you would like to turn into an animated cartoon image. So once we have our image open, it will preview, and you will have two options to either use in a new design or edit the image. We want to click on Edit Image. So when we do that, Canva will present us with Canva's image editor, and on the left side you'll see sections such as Select Area, Crop, Pixel Eraser, Tools, and Filters and Shadows, which are effects. For today, we are going to be focused on Tools, so click on See All next to Tools. Now, once the Tools section is completely open, under Reimagine, look for Magic Edit, and when you find it, click on it. Now, you'll see an area, a section that says Select Area to Edit, and below that, you'll see a section called Describe Your Edit with a prompt field that you can click into. So what we're going to do is we're going to click into the field and ask Canva to turn this image into a cartoon image. And you can be very specific about the type of animation style that you would like. Maybe you want to do anime, maybe you want to do classic Western animation. So once you've got your prompt up and you are ready, click on Generate. And when you do this, Canva will start to get to work, and it'll start preparing the cartoon image. So once the image has been changed into a cartoon, you can navigate over to the top right corner and click on Save. But if you are not happy with it, you can come back in here and change it and say in anime cartoon style. And then you can do the same thing, and Canva will get back to work on the image, and it will just redo it. Alright, so once we're done, we're going to come up to Save. And once you have saved, Canva will have a little pop-up notification on your bottom right corner notifying you that the image has been saved to your uploads, and you'll be able to see it inside of the uploads. So that is how you turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. And if there are any points in the tutorial where you felt lost or you feel as though I've missed something, please feel free to drop those in the comment section of the video and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.